Good morning, everyone. Here we are again with another day in our camping site. So, maaga kami nagising ngayon, 8 o'clock. Kasi maaga rin kami natulog kagabi around 9. Tapos nagising kami ng 10 dahil may intruder na naman. There was a skank again. But, sobrang haba ng tulog namin. Kung makikita nyo yung aking mata ay busog na busog, sana all. And now we're getting ready for breakfast. Medyo maaraw today kasi balak namin maligo. Sobrang lamig ng tubig as in. But, araw ang ngayon, so hopefully makatulong siya. Kasi gusto namin mag-cliff jumping. Cliff jumping, di ba? Cliff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what's for breakfast. Come with me. And Chef Kobe, nagpapakulo ng tubig. Some sausages. And we have here bread again. Oh, and that's our plates. And eggs. And of course, our Nescafe coffee. And then the marinated pork. And Harry Potter. How's your morning?
All good in the hood.
Umuusok ako. Umuusok ka din.
Oh,
wow.
Wait lang.
Sige. Wow, it's so cold. Wow, so pretty. Waking up to a view like this is always amazing. So yeah, let's have a walk while Kobe's making some food. I don't think I really gave you a tour of our campsite. Look, there's a mini pathway here. And there's love. So medyo elevated yung area namin. Siguro kapag high tide. But yeah, our paddleboard. Malawak siya. Sobrang ganda niya. May neighbors kami banda dun. This is our setup. So, naglagay na kami ng tolda dyan. Pag nagbo-bonfire kami, yung mga ashes nakakalusot pa rin sa mesh. But yeah, that's our site. So cute. Guys, I love camping so much. So much. Eggs and hotdog. Sausage. Ta-da!
Cheers to another birthday of my wife. Ready? More?
Cheers! Hi guys! So, magpa-paddleboard na kami. Hindi naman ganun kalamig, I swear. Light, very light lamig lang. Whew! Lamig! Fudge! Ano ba itong mga nagagawa namin? So, wala na namang araw. Lulubog lilitaw po yung araw. Pero lalabas na kami bago pa dumilim na naman. Bilis na dumilim eh. Oh, naka-shorts! Let's go! I will turn this around us. Okay. Hi guys. Sana po ay hindi against the light. But, sobrang lamig po. At ito kami, kita nyo naman naka-life vest. Ibig sabihin, we're gonna do it! We're gonna jump! In this icy cold water! So, ayan, we're leaving our campsite. Diba, may araw naman, nakakatulong naman yung araw. Pero the fact na sobrang lamig po ng tubig. Pero kakayanin, nandito na tayo eh. Sayang naman yung pagdala namin ng paddleboard at saka ng life vest kung hindi namin gagamitin. Ayan, say hi Boo, kung nakikita ka nila.
Hi!
I think nakikita ka nila.
Yeah.
Yan po si Kobe. Okay, so harap ko na kayo sa aming way papunta sa
Okay.
Rocky roads.
I'm gonna paddle na.
Yes. Mag-time lapse ako, na? Okay. Okay, we made it to the rocks, and our paddleboard is parked over there.
Let's do
We're
it.
gonna set up some camera here and we're gonna jump over here.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah. Try mo
Go.
nga.
Look,
Gosh, here we go. Kobe's gonna attempt. Okay, hawakan ko para susundan kita. Okay.
Game?
Yeah. Layuan mo yung talong mo ha para hindi ka tumama sa bato. Are you scared?
A little bit.
Me too. Okay. Okay. Face your fears. Nakatali mabuti yung life vest, okay?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, malamig. Fuck! Ready na ako. Sasigaw mo.
Hindi, kahit dito na lang ako.
Okay. Layuan mo yung talon mo ha. Okay.
Wala namang bato eh.
Sure?
Yeah, malalim.
Okay.
Ito lang meron na.
Am I seeing?
Game?
Are you guys watching this? Wow! Lamig!
Lamig!
Pumasok sa ilong mo? Pumasok sa ilong mo, hindi. Are you ready to watch me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared! I'm scared mo!
Wait, naka-fix ba to?
Oo.
Ayaw mong ikan ko, sundan kita para parang mas maganda. Wait lang.
Sakit parang na ulo ko. Hindi ka nilamig?
Hindi.
Game?
Ayan, ayan mas maganda.
1. Paano ka tumalon pag ganun? Or
Oo,
straight lang?
straight.
1, 2. Wow! Ang sarap! Ang lamig!
Sabi ko sa'yo yun, sarap eh.
Saan ka tumutuot?
Ayun dyan, meron dyan. Dahan-dahanin mo lang, tapos may pagkakapitan ka dyan, bu.
Dulas yan.
Sige, meron dyan, doon sa gilid. Meron dyan parang
Wow, ang saya. Game. Ang saya.
Told you.
Let's go. Sabay tayo.
Oo, sabay tayo.
Sabay tayo. Basta straight tayo.
Oo. Sige, magtamanan tayo.
Huh? Hindi. Ay, tayo maghawak.
Hindi.
1, 2, ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, try natin mag-flip. Oh my gosh, ang lamig.
Sarap.
Parang sarap tumalon. Oh my god, ang lamig. Wow. At least may araw, no? Let's get to masarap tumalon. Nagtuloy-tuloy siya eh. Okay guys, we're going to get Kobe stuffs kasi he's gonna jump. Okay, come on now. Hi guys! So, we're on our way back. Grabe. Nakailang tanlong kami, 100. Tapos si Kobe, ang aking driver. Ang aking Uber driver.
Mag-lip namin.
So, maaraw lang, mukhang maaraw dito. Pagdating natin sa campsite namin, malamig na naman. So, this is what it looks like, guys. It's so quiet. Doon kami tumalon-talon. Doon. And, ayun po, yung color blue. Yung maliit na color blue ang aming campsite. Tignan nyo naman. Hindi talaga tinatapakan ng araw. But yeah, it's so fun. super nag-enjoy. Best birthday ever. Whee! So, we're gonna do it again next year.
Yeah, next year.
Kobe's birthday and my birthday. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga pinapakita namin kasi we're really enjoying it so much. So, yun lang. See you again later. Hello, madlang people! So, nakabalik na kami at nakapagbihis na. Same pa rin. May araw na doon sa taas. Pero hindi kami naaarawan dahil sobrang taas ng mga puno. Pero yung aming neighbor, kung nakikita nyo, banda doon, tumatagos yung araw sa kanila. Sana all. But yeah, so, ngayon, mag-chill na lang kami. Dahil bukas ay, we're going back to reality. Which is kailangan. Para masustain namin yung ganitong hobby. Na mag-camping, mag-paddleboard, at mag-cliff jumping. But yeah, it was so much fun. Sobrang saya, promise. Hindi ko ma-explain kung gaano ka-happy and ka-satisfied. And kung gaano ka-relax dito. Sobrang relax. Ang unfair lang kasi sobrang bilis ng oras. But, we can't do anything about that. We just have to cherish every second, every minute, every hour na malayo kami sa realidad. Ganon. So yeah, manonood kami ng movie and hihigop ng mainit na sinigang na hipon soup habang nag-iihaw ng pampano. Oh, gusto mo yun? At ayun po si Kobe. Abala na naman sa kanyang fire pit. That's his favorite about this camping trip. Making fire, looking woods for his fire pit. But yeah. All good? Okay.
Tignan ko yung nagsisiling din.
Oo nga, may naliligo. Kasi maaraw.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's so nice. Kita nyo yan, guys.
Galing niya mag-swimming yan.
The pictures and videos are not gonna do us justice with how beautiful this place is. Ayun daw. So yeah, I have to say goodbye because I want to enjoy it, guys. But since I wanted to bring you here with us, kaya nag-update ako kahit paminsan-minsan. But that's it. So, bye. What do we have here?
It's grilled pampano.
Wow.
Sarap, legit.
Legit.
Look. And then you dip it with this and then you eat it. Saan tayo? Top.
And we have here marinated chicken. Alam nyo guys, sobrang ganda ng panahon. Sobrang nakisama yung panahon sa last night namin. Kasi usually kahapon, sobrang cloudy, diba? Parang alas 5 pa lang, alas 4. Ang dilim na, grabe. Pero ngayon, kita mo yung silhouette ng lawet. Kita mo yung araw. Ang ganda. It's so pretty. trust me, this vlog's gonna be really long again. Right?
Yes.